To change keyboard theme on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the system. Then go for the keyboard and input method, go for manage keyboards and select the Gboard. And from here you are able to find the theme, so let's go in there, and here you can find a lot of different kind of themes, which include the colored themes, landscapes and different kind of gradients. And from here all you simply have to do is select anything that you like. The rest of these themes right here, as you can see, you will need to download them if you'd like to use them, but these colors and these default themes are actually like already on your device. So from here simply select any theme that you like, and here you can additionally toggle the key borders, and me personally I like the keyboard without the key borders, and from here simply press apply button, and as you can see right on this theme we have this check mark which says that we are currently using this theme. And let's go somewhere to enable our keyboard, and as you can see the theme has been changed, and that's how we can do this.